Hair braiding salon. Yeah, today we are just doing some simple cornrows. I already started 2 of them, but this one I'll take it out. I want this one to come in front. You will see how I'll do this one. Yeah, let me start. I have my hair here. First, you start braiding your own hair first. Then you start adding some extension. I'll turn this way in the front. I have small Vaseline here. Let's go back a little bit. Okay. Yeah, let me do one more. Tie the hair, the one you are not braiding. Tie it. More Vaseline. Oil. Castor oil. Hair and scalp conditioner. Yeah, that's what I'm putting in the line. The hair I'm using, number one. To the beginning, start with the small, tiny hair. This three, I'll put it here. You start with your hair first. You start adding some hair now. After braiding with your own hair, then you start putting some extension. I don't know if you can see. I'll turn this way so you can see. Okay, mesh hii unabebaka spray. You take a spray, you spray into your extension like that, then you comb it. Okay, I have my right tail comb here. I want to cut a line. This one is a little bit bigger. Maybe I'll come and take it off and redo it so it can be two. I'm trying to make it a little bit smaller so they can last. Tie your hair, the one you know braiding, so it can help you tie it. At the beginning we always start with small, like 3 of them. When you start with your own hair. You take extension, okay, to the back we are doing some crochet. This is what I'll do, the kinky hair crochet. Yeah, I already braid the back. I don't want to waste time. Then you just put your needle, your crocheting, then you okay, time to put some beads. This is the beads I'm putting, and this one you put all your beads in here, then after that you start putting into your braids. Okay, stay tuned. Beads in here. This one, I don't know how they call it. Yeah, this one is very good to put your beads on, and it make your work go fast. Yeah, instead of you putting one by one to the braid, it take a lot of time. But if you have this one, it's quick. Okay, how you do it, you take your braid, you put inside here, inside there, then you push a little bit, then you take your beads, you push it inside there. You see how quick and fast. Okay, let's do this one too. You put your hair inside there. You see how quick? Yeah. Okay, you don't want your beads to be falling. You cannot leave your beads like this. Now we have to protect the beads not to fall. What you need, let me push it. I'll just need one bead like this, and one, the small one like that, any color, but this is the black. Then you put over here like that. Okay, with scissors. Okay, yeah, this is how it look. Yeah, like this, your beads, they are not going to fall. Yeah, we're done. Our hair is done. This the result. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. See you to another video. Bye bye. Hey guys, just want to show you a quick outfit. This hair, we just finished doing this hair. The full video is going to be on my YouTube. Yeah, this hair, we did it. It's just quick. Yeah, let's close review. This one from Burlington, the top, the skirt from Burlington, the shoes from Shoes Depot. Yeah, this our Sunday outfit for today. Yeah, the hair from me, from Anna, the beauty from my mom. Yes, the beads from African Beauty Plus, and the hair, the extension from African Beauty Plus. Yes, so this is the outfit for today. This is how we are looking, simple and cute. Bye bye. Thank you. Don't mind the light. Yeah, there's a window there, so that's the sun is hitting, so all those, yeah, don't mind those. Bye. Thank you.